Hello students, welcome back to video classes. Today I am going to say about singular and plural of your lesson 6 in grammar. Yes, what is singular kids? Singular means one, right? What do you mean by plural then? More than one. Yes, in that to make more than one, what we will do? We'll just add S for the word which ends with a consonant. For example, here key, what is the last letter? Y. I wrote keys here because Y is a consonant. We are going to add S for that. It will become keys. Before it was one key. Now it has become more than one. It may be any number. It's ball. What's the spelling of ball? B-A-L-L. What does L stands for? L stands for consonant. So I am going to add S for this. Next, to make plural, we add S, ES, IES, VES. And for few words, we don't add any letters. And in some cases, one of the letter in the noun or word is going to be changed. Then only we call it as plural. Like that. For some words, we'll add other letters except these will make plural. We'll call as irregular plurals. Okay, I'll explain you when I'm going to add S is that when any word ends with a consonant. For example, cat. What's the last letter? T. Yes, if I add to make plural, I add, yes, I said right, yes, it's C-A-T, yes, cats, it's more than one cat, okay. When we'll add E-S, yes, any word which ends with the letter O, H, X, S, what we'll do? We add ES for that. Okay. For example, here in the potato, O is the last letter. It's a vowel. Yes. What we did for this? I add ES first. Okay. It will become potatoes. Potatoes. Like that. I have H. W-A-T-C-H. H. What I am supposed to add for this? This word ends with the letter H. I am going to add E-S. Okay. In some cases where CH appears but it sounds K. At that time we are not supposed to add ES. We'll add there only, we'll not add ES, we add only yes. Okay. Like that, when we get the last letter H, I am going to add ES for that. It will become, watch becomes watches, more than one. Box. What is the last letter of box? Exactly, it's X. What I am going to add for this? ES, box S. How does it sound? Box S. If I add S, boxes it will become. And the pronunciation is also not correct. And as per this rule, grammar rule, for X we have to add ES. Okay. I have given one more example for the letter S or for the word which ends with the letter S. That is bus. What is the last letter of the bus? It is yes. For this I am going to add ES. Okay. Now it will become buses. Like that we have some more examples called Yes. For glass, what is the last letter? Here see, you can see two S's has come. Even though to make plural, what I am going to add from this, yes, it will become glasses. Yes. I hope you are getting. Yes. Here, IES. You have learned it in your previous classes. It is, or when IES comes, that you have learned in previous classes, even though I am going to explain you in this class. Okay. When we get Y, here is a confusion. I know what's that. You may say that, ma'am, in key also Y is there. Right? Yes. In baby also Y is there. Right. Both the words ends with the letter Y. But here I have added only yes. Because I have to see the previous letter of Y. What is this? It's a oval. Which are oval? A, E, I, O, U. Right? These are called as ovals. Yes. When we write Y, previous letter appears a oval, we will add only yes. What we will add? Only yes. If the same Y appears in a word in the end and previous letter, we have to see, children. That is B. What is this? B is a consonant. Very nice. B is a consonant. Well, consonant appears before Y. What we are going to add? We are going to add IES instead of this Y. We have to remove Y here, and instead of Y, I am going to add IES to make plural of this word. So, when you add IES for the baby, it will become BABIES. It is babies. More than one baby will call as babies. Yes, like that. One more example I am going to give, that is fairy. F-A-I-R-Y. See here, last letter is Y. Before that, what letter has appeared here? It's a, very nice, it's a consonant. So, what is the answer for that? What is the plural of that? It is F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Fairies. Yes? Are you getting? Yes. In rare cases or in some words where a word ends with the letter F or F-E. What we are going to add for that? Very nice. It's V-E-S. Instead of F or F-E, we'll remove that and we'll add V-S. Instead of F or F-E, what we are going to add? V-E-S. See here, I have written an example. What's the spelling of thief? Who is thief? One who steals the things, isn't it? Yeah. Is it a good manner? No, right? Stealing others' property or things is not a good manner. We should not adopt in our life. We have to be prompt and sincere. Okay? Yes. See the spelling of thief, which is the last letter. Yes. So, instead of this F or in the place of F, I will remove that F and I will write T-H-I-E-V-E-S. Instead of this F, I have written V-S to make more than one or to convert singular into the plural. You want one more example? Yes, see here. For this, W-I-F-E, wife. Yes, here F-E has come. So, to make plural of wife, I am going to write wives. Very good. Correct pronunciation is that wives. Okay. Instead of F-E, I have written V-E-S. V-E-S. I hope you can't see from there. So, I am going to write here again. Okay. Yes, wife. I'm going to remove this FE and answer will become WIVES. Wives. Okay, this is the plural form of wife. The last concept in plural for this class, irregular plurals, where no need to add s, es, ies, ves like that. The word itself remains the same or constant, or some other letter will come and make the changes, and for few words, extra words or some other words come and add to other letters come and add to the same word, and it will make a different word, but meaning singular into plural it will gives. Yes, here fish remains fish. One more example I will give for the word that is irregular plurals. For that, one more is that deer remains deer. You have studied it in your second standard. Yes? Yeah. Here, men instead of man, A, we have written E. We pronounce it as men. Like that, other gender of men is woman. Yes? Instead of woman, what we have written? We have changed the A to E to make plural. Yes, like that. What is singular of children? It's child. Many used to say what's the plural of child. What they will say? Childs they will say. It's not correct. You have to add R-E-N and it will become plural. Yes. Child, that is apostrophe S. Child's plural form is children. One more example I wanted to give is that for ox, we make plural by adding oxen. Okay. And one more word, for mouse, we say mice. Yes, children, I hope you got this class. I hope you understood this. If you didn't get, you see the video again. After my video, I am going to give answer for your lesson 6 in your grammar book.